It's so pretty. Goddamn Muffler people. Smells like vomit out here. Ooh, there's that Cosmo. Looking pretty. Good, beautiful morning. I was thinking about going across the street. And getting some breakfast at Egg Slut. I think I'm too tired though. It's the night after the Rocktober big event. And I actually got to sleep last night around midnight. It's like 7:30 in the morning. I think I'm gonna head up to the room and take a nap. And I'll hit Cosmo up later tonight.
Nice and cool out here.
I woke up at like 4:30 this morning so I could watch the sunrise. So pretty. My favorite time of day. Hey guys, it's Sunday evening now. Let's go downstairs and across the street and check out the Cosmo for the first time. The Cosmopolitan is located at 3708 South Las Vegas Boulevard. The resort opened on December 15, 2010, with 3,027 rooms and guest suites and 110,000 square feet of gaming space. I took the long way around so I could show you the walkway to Cosmo. There's Planet Hollywood across the street. And off in the distance you can see Paris and the Eiffel Tower. Got your marquee nightclub and day club. The dining choices at the Cosmo are endless. Today I'm going to stop in Secret Pizza and also the Henry. Ooh, Patty B's. Shut the fuck up. I really want to try that too. If you ever get a chance at night, go up in the Eiffel Tower and watch the fountains from Bellagio. It's really lovely. Or you could just rent the Vegas Best Ideas suite.
It's so pretty. Ladies.
I'm having a little too much fun just going up and down these escalators.
Chuki Beats.
I'm totally trying to lay low and dodge security. I have found the Henry. Let's take a look at the menu. Do I want French onion soup, French dip, French toast? Welcome to Secret Pizza.
Yes, I am. Oh, what if?
Slices of cheese pizza start at $5.25, and additional toppings are 50 cents each. Whole pies are available and recommended for the best experience.
Hi there.
Can I get a white pizza with
We ended up taking our food to go from the Henry, and so here's what we got. The brioche French toast with the berry compote. It is very, very good and very, very filling. I couldn't eat very much of it, and this is kind of what's left over of it. And got a side of 2 eggs scrambled. We also got the cheesecake. It looks delicious, and I tried a little taste of it, and it looks delicious. We also got the signature donuts. They're like a Banana Foster's type something. I don't know. They look very delicious, though. It was really delicious, and we're going to enjoy our desserts right now. So be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and leave me a comment down below. Thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you guys next time. Those donuts look so good. Follow up on the cheesecake. Holy moly, is this ever the creamiest cheesecake ever. Oh my god. When you go to the Henry, this is what you want to get. Oh my god, this is like I died and went to heaven cheesecake. Incredible. Ooh, had to follow up with that one. Trying the donuts from the Henry. And I don't know why I thought they were Banana Fosters. I think it's some kind of like I guess it's a maple type glaze or whatever. It's very tasty. If you like maple donuts and homemade donuts, these are really good. Definitely recommend trying them. That cheesecake, holy moly. That wasn't just a 10 out of 10. The cheesecake was a 20 out of 20. $7 for a slice of cheesecake? Holy shit. This is it. This is all I want next time I go to Henry. Just cheesecake. Thanks. That's all. Alright guys, cheers. Thanks for watching.